How to search a word in Kindle. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can search certain words. First of all, open the application. Now you can directly tap on the book that you're reading. So here I'm tapping on one. So there are different words that are available and you might not understand them all. So the word that you don't understand, you can simply tap and hold on to it. Now here you can see the option called search, and here on the bottom you can even use this dictionary. Here there are different Wikipedia and you can even translate the word. So these are the options that are available. So this is a quick way to search any word which you don't know. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.